Welcome to the channel. Thank you for clicking to Fin_Silver. My good name is Vincent. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. Consider to like, share, subscribe, and comment. It's yet another beautiful day that we are making this video. Yeah, so today is actually on Saturday. Yeah, the last Saturday, I think the last Saturday of this month. Yes, yeah, so hope you are doing amazing from wherever you are watching. Kindly, as you are watching, comment. Let me know where you are watching from. And for me, I am making this video from Kenya. Eh? Yeah, so Hakuna Matata. Kenya, Hakuna Matata. So Hakuna Matata means no problems. Yeah? No complications. No worries. Yeah, so yeah, the weather is very hot. You can see my forehead is kind of shiny because the sun is up and is piercing its rays to the earth. Yeah, it's a dry season or a drought season here in our village or here in our region. I don't know whether it is the whole of Kenya or the whole of East Africa, but I can say I'm sure of our region here. It is a drought season. But you can see from the background there are crops, the palm tree, the wafa fruit. This is actually a wafa fruit. Yeah, you can see maize from the back. They are green. You may think that it is not a dry season, but honestly, from the surrounding, you can tell the sun is sunning and no jokes. Yeah, so for the new subscribers, thank you very much. And if you are new here in this channel, kindly consider to like, share, subscribe, and also don't skip the ads. And also you can also join our membership. You can click the word join there, down there, and then you can go through the channel membership packs. You can choose which one you can be able to go with. Yeah, so I told you here in our farm, here in the village life, things are more of here in the village things are more of farming, you know. Yeah, normally when you set a business in the village, you know, me, I do local happenings. You can see from the background, I am coming live from a local area, you know. Yeah, so as usual, my videos are coming from such an environment. Yeah, so today is another day. I have come to pick something again, you know. Yeah, so actually I've come to pick, I think this is the second day I am making a video while coming here to pick a sweet banana. Yeah, so but before we do it, we must do this video for you. I must do this video for you guys. Yeah, right. So you can see there's one here. Hope you are seeing it, guys. There's one here. Yeah, that is the first option. And if you have been watching my videos, there's a time I came and I came to pick some sweet bananas from here, this same place. And actually we are right now, we are enjoying. They have already ripened because, you know, normally during the hot season, you know, right now you can see the hotness of the sun. I mean, you can feel in such a weather, you know. So normally sweet bananas ripe well or faster when it's kind of hot or warm, you know. Yeah, so this time around they have ripened more faster than the previous times that we have been having sweet bananas from here. Yeah, so let us walk down, at least have a walk a little bit. So before I come to pick it, I must show you how our village looks like. We must have a walk a little bit around and see what is happening and what's not. Yeah, you may be hearing some surrounding or some preaching from the background, you know. Yeah, so as normal on Saturday, we have people who are resting on the Saturday. So if you are watching me and you go to church on Saturday, happy Sabbath, happy day. Finish by subscribing. Yeah, so I know there are people who are watching me while who go to church on Saturday. Yeah, so let me squeeze myself through this bush. Sometimes back there were some bees at this place. Yeah, it's like yeah, at this heap, under this heap is where they had some hole. Yeah, so you can see things are dry here. From the background, things are dry. Yeah, so don't worry about my face being like this because the sun rays are hitting my forehead. Yeah, so I'm struggling to at least keep my eyes on the look. Yeah, so actually I've said that this is a dry season, but this dry season is not what made that farm to be like that. Actually, we sprayed some herbicides. Yeah, so at least to kill some weeds, you know. Yeah, so and also here is our tea farm. That's our tea farm over there, and also it grew to a point where there was no good production, you know. So and when you have tea and there's no good production, what we decide to do is just to prune it. You cut hmm, the whole production part. I mean the 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 parts which produce the tea, so that at least new birds can sprout, you know. Yeah, so maybe after they have dried up well, the top ones, the ones that we were cut after they have dried, the the remaining one will start establishing again. All new parts will start rising again. Yeah, so after that weeding will be done. After that also top dressing, you know. Normally we are given fertilizer from the company or the organization that which buys this tea leaves from us. Yeah, so normally you are given fertilizer, you don't pay even a cent, you are given for free, you just come and apply, you know. Yeah, so this is another tea farm here, but it belongs to my other grandfather. Huh? Yeah, so for this one it's doing well. Yeah, it's doing well. Yeah, so we are walking down, you can see this is how our village looks like. You see? Yeah, you may think that there are no homesteads here, but they are. You can see from the far right there, we have homesteads. And also to the other side there, we have homesteads, sugarcane there. Yeah, so at least now you can see the homesteads are around. Yeah, so as I said, the weather is very hot. The weather is very hot today. Not even today only, even yesterday, the day before yesterday, today also, tomorrow it will be too, because this is a dry season. Yeah, so we are still walking down. You can see sugarcane, banana. Yeah. Going down, you will still go deep or down to the village, but I want to go back as from this point here. Yeah, so you can see sugarcane. You can see that fruit there. I don't know what the name is. Yeah, and banana. You can tell here in our Kisi community, bananas are commonly planted. Close to every homestead has planted bananas. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section what you think about the village, this environment. Yeah, so though the weather is very hot, and again you can hear some wind blowing. Is it blowing or blowing? Yeah, at least when wind blows, at least it cools you down. Yeah, so guys, I know this video will be premiering on YouTube. So if you are just joining, kindly consider to like, share, subscribe, and also join our channel membership. Yeah, so tell a friend to tell a friend so that we can grow our community. Yeah, so this week I told you I will be dropping videos non-stop. I will be dropping videos non-stop. Yeah, at least today I have a computer that I'm using to edit videos. Even 50 minutes videos, it can be able to edit, but we are yet to accomplish our goal of getting a GoPro camera, guys. Yeah, also if you are watching, you can support me with a GoPro camera. I will really appreciate it, because I really need it. Yeah, because you know, when I use a GoPro, at least I can even record for more than 1 hour, unlike using my phone, you know. Yeah, so, and also the GoPro footages, they are more clear. The GoPro footages are more clear, and also sound is captured well. You know, this phone for your information, it does not really capture sound well like the way, or it does not capture the voice well as like the GoPro does, because you know the 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 volume that is captured by this phone is not the real volume that which I also end up uploading with, because I go editing, I do some volume increase the first time and also the second time. Yeah, so that at least when you are watching these videos, at least the sound is uniform, you know. Yeah, so sometimes back I used to experience some problems when it comes to sound, but at least today I have gained some editing skills. You find that the first footages had a higher volume of sound, the second one has a low one, the third footage has a middle one. So at least today my editing skills are on another level. Yeah, and we really thank God for the progress that we have made in terms of how to record our footages. You know, when I was starting this YouTube journey, I was recording videos short as 10 minutes. I was recording videos 10 minutes long, 15. The file I could go is 20 minutes. But today you can, if you go through my YouTube videos, you will see that I have even made videos long enough as 50 minutes, even 1 hour. Yeah. And also the longest live stream we have live streamed was 32 hours non-stop, guys. Yeah. And I also want to appreciate those who are joining my live streams. Yeah, the longest I've streamed was 32 followed by 11. So now the live stream of 11 hours is the one which gave me 1,000 more subscribers more than the previous 1,000 subscribers I had. Until today, I have a total of 2,000 subscribers, you know. And also the watch hours, guys. If you are an upcoming creator who is chasing these watch hours, you know. So the secret is just you can use a website called Restream. You can use Restream, connect it with your channel, yeah, and then loop the video. Ensure you have a good network connection, and then from there you can create a title, a description, and then go live. And then you can loop the video, so the video will play even a whole year non-stop. Yeah, so you can use that method as a sign of at least pushing your watch hours. Another thing I want to say, guys, is that we have already monetized our channel. That's good, and we really appreciate that one. It was not an easy job. It was not an easy journey. 2.5 years journey. But here we are today. Yeah, so but we are here to fully monetize because I'm waiting for my Google AdSense envelope. I cannot wait. I can't wait for it to arrive. Yeah, so I will really feel happy when it arrives, because a mission could have been achieved if I get it. The time I will hold it with my hand like this, that this is my Google AdSense envelope. And you know that one means that now you are going to get something at least from what you are doing. You as a creator. Yeah, so I have taken you through the village. Never wanted to walk down because you know the sun is shining. Because the more I go, the more I get tired, and the more I get tired, the more the mood of recording videos disappears. And the more the mood of making videos disappears, the more you won't get videos. Yeah, so at least you can see, despite it being hot, you know, the wind is breezing around and then it cools you down. Yeah, so we can't complain, but you can see our crops are doing well. They are green. Things have not yet started drying up like some back in the year 2015. 2015 there was a very severe drought, and also last year but one there was a very severe drought which hit our country, and even animals started dying, you know. From the statistics which were done at that time, they say that like more than 2 million uh, cows, I mean those animals that which are kept at home, died. And those are the ones which were kept at home, you know. That is excluding the ones in the forest. You can imagine how the drought was. If those animals which are kept by humans died, what about those who don't have somebody to look up after them? Like the ones which stay in the forest, the lions, elephants, gazelles, you know. Yeah, you can imagine what happened. Yeah, but nowadays it is raining, and when it rains like you don't even have to explain that it rained. Eh? Yeah, so if you are watching, I'm coming live from Africa, Kenya, from Nyamira County. Yeah, so from the Kisi community. Yeah, so I'm coming live from the village. I'm doing local happenings. Yeah, I think now if you never knew me, you have known me. My name is Vincent. Welcome to Fin_Silver. Yeah, so I'm happy to be where I am today as a creator. I can't complain because, as I have said earlier, the journey has really been well, but not easy. Yeah, so, but for now, what I can ask you guys, at least subscribe if you are yet, like, share, comment, and also you can also join our channel membership. Yeah, and also we are on a mission to purchase a GoPro camera. So if you can support us, you can support the channel through, or if you can support the channel to acquire a GoPro, at least to acquire a GoPro camera. My PayPal is vincentsagini28@gmail.com. Yeah, vincentsagini28@gmail.com. Yeah, so if you can not be able to reach my PayPal, you can also send your thanks. Down below there is a button. Besides the like, share, subscribe buttons, there is a word thanks. You can click there and then you can send your support. Yeah, so I will really appreciate. Yeah, and if you will do so, I will appreciate so much. Yeah, so later on after this video, because I don't want this video to be too much long, because the longer the video, the more space it is required by my phone to capture the whole footage. Yeah, so later on in the day, I will come and have some avocados from here. But it seems like somebody came and swept everything. Somebody swept everything. You see? Yeah. There were some avocados over there. Ah, yes, they are there. There are some avocados there. Yeah, so sometimes the disadvantages of living in the village, you can have a fruit tree, like an avocado tree, a guava tree. But what you should know is that that is not yours alone. That is for the community, you know? Yeah, so what will make people know to get those fruits from your tree is by placing some thorns. Eh? For example, here. So for example here. So for example here, if we don't want people to get avocados from this tree here, we'll just come with a slasher, cut these thorns, place them around here, you know. But for us, we don't do that because that is a sign of being stingy, you know. Yeah, so we don't like putting thorns at that we now come cut thorns from there, put at the tree so that people cannot climb and get some avocado, all wafers, you know. We don't like doing that because it is a sign of you are not ready to give, you know. Yeah, so sometimes for me, the way I judge those who do so by placing thorns at the tree of at the fruit trees like wafers, you know, ragworts, mango trees, avocados, you know. You find somebody has placed a rod until if you want to get it by force, you will start removing those thorns for hours because sometimes they squeeze them up, you know. Yeah, so for us, we don't consider pressing thorns because for us, it does not make sense. If someone wants to get avocado, let me want. If he takes, he can't take the whole tree. He will leave some, you can come, take it to the home. By the end of the day, God blesses you because someone got something for the stomach from your place, you know? Yeah, so the only thing that is remaining, I want to get this sweet banana down, you know. Yeah, so yeah, so let me set this tripod somewhere and you watch me as I bring it down, or you watch me as I get it from there. Yeah, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section down below. Yeah, so guys, we have gotten our sweet banana here. Yeah, it is very light, and it's because it's small. Yeah, so it's time to go home. After getting this one now, I want to check whether we can get another one from that side there. Yeah, so actually we have so many sweet banana plants here. So because I don't want to be coming back now and then, coming and getting sweet bananas today after tomorrow, I want to go around and check whether there will be some or there will be another one, so that at least I will get them all at once instead of making trips here to come and get them. Yeah, so normally we have sweet bananas on that far side there. On that far side, we have one here. This is another one over there. And then that one on that far side. So on this side, on that side there is one. On the far side there, I think there are one, two, I think there are two or three. Yeah, and this side there are two. Yeah, so I want to check out whether there is some. And I only get the ones which are mature, because the ones which are matured, they are the only ones which are going to ripe. Yeah, because if you get a sweet banana that which has not matured yet, that one, even if you keep it the whole year, it will just rot, but it will not ripe. Yeah, so we have one here. We have one here now. I want to just walk around it, eh? Have a view of it from all angles to confirm whether it is fully mature. You know? Yeah. Yeah, so from my point of view, it's like it is not ready. It is yet to mature, so we will add it at least one more week, if not two. Yeah, so after 1 week I may come back. Yeah, so 1 week, at most 2 weeks, because yeah, from that point where it is now, it will only take around 1 week, at most two, for it to mature. Yeah, so we must be punctual, because sometimes people have long hands. In Swahili they say people with mkono mrefu. Yeah, so that is I don't know how to can say that. That is a way of describing those people who like taking other people's property without permission. And someone who does so, that one is a thief. So before the thief comes and the thief's it, we must be punctual to ensure that we have gotten it early. Yeah, so now what it remains is to take this banana home. Yeah, so, and of course, as normal, I used my machete here, and want to get my banana, my sweet banana, then we go home. Yeah, so the sweet bananas I was talking about, that is one from where I got. This is the first one, you know. This is the second one. This is the third one. And now I'm about to show you the fourth and fifth one. Yeah, from this side. Yeah, so this is the fourth and that is the fifth, but that one is the oldest. Yeah, so it's time to go home now. Yeah, so enjoy the music as I'm walking home. Let me end this video here. Kindly consider to like, share, subscribe, and comment if you are yet to do so. Till next video, goodbye.